You searched how to buy shares of BRP Inc. BRP is a maker of Ski-Doo snowmobiles, Sea-Doo watercraft, and Can-Am off-road vehicles. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DOO, and this overview is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds to make purchases. Open the platform search and type the ticker DOO to find the BRP Inc. listing. Select the result that matches the company and NASDAQ exchange to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart that tracks recent performance. Confirm the company name, ticker DOO, and the NASDAQ listing to make sure it's the right asset. To invest, click the Investor Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be queued to execute when trading resumes. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.